So actually, we still plan, we still get insurances, medical insurance. In fact, kumuha tayo ng college plans, no, di ba? Para...
kasi naisip natin, naku, by the time that, our youngest will be entering college, wow, medyo malapit na kami mag-60 yata noon, di ba?
Pero there's nothing wrong in getting all of those, no? Pero what is important is na-realize ko na having those should not make you shift your focus on those things as your source of security. Ang security pa rin natin kay God. Kasi remember yung kinuha nating college plan.
Although hindi mo ma-fake
diba?
Nung mag-e-enter na ng college yung anak namin, biglang nagsara yung cap. Yeah. Pero only to show us then that, hindi naman yung cap na nagpo-provide din.
Yes.
Dahil ang laki ng educational expense natin at that time kasi she was in a expensive school pero never did we missed in paying. So parang the goal naman kasi talaga of God is for us to know Him.
So kinuha natin ng mga college plans yung mga anak natin, no? Pero nagsara, no? Wala tayong
yung isa
nakuha except one. Pero the faithfulness of God remains, no? Kaya we get all of those, no? To secure our family. Pero at the same time, ang trust natin, ang hope natin na kay Lord hindi nawawala.